Two men and a truck relocation honest review. Watch before using. Most people assume moving is stressful, but professional movers like Two Men and a Truck promise to make relocation smoother. Two Men and a Truck is a U.S.-based moving company offering residential and commercial moving services. One standout feature is their focus on customer service. They provide packing, loading, transportation, and even unpacking if needed. Many customers appreciate the friendly, uniformed staff who handle belongings with care. Most people get this wrong. They assume all moving companies charge hidden fees or damage items. The surprising truth is Two Men and a Truck offers transparent pricing with estimates upfront. They also provide insurance options to protect your belongings during transit. Another advantage is flexibility. They offer local, long-distance, and international moves, as well as specialized services for fragile or valuable items. Scheduling is straightforward, and the company uses tracking systems to keep customers informed about their shipment. However, there are considerations. Prices can be higher during peak moving seasons, and some locations may have limited availability. Advanced booking is recommended to secure your preferred date and team. In conclusion, Two Men and a Truck is a reliable choice for anyone seeking a professional moving experience. Their combination of customer service, transparency, and range of services makes relocation less stressful and more manageable. Subscribe for more honest moving service reviews before planning your next move.